Hey guys, welcome to a new SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have Synthesia, which is a tool where you can create AI videos. Basically, this is like the right way of doing an AI products landing page, right? So the only thing that I'm not too happy about is the it's like the headline at the top. Yes, there are AI videos, but before they had like production level quality videos that you can create without being on camera and all that stuff, right? So that would be really good. So I would say create professional grade videos without being on camera, just by writing the scripts and then justify that they were created with AI, right? So everything is insanely visual. They addressed every single objection that people had around how many languages can it support, how easily can I update it, can I change the different voices, how many avatars do I have to choose from, how many templates do I have to choose from. They made everything crazy visual, all right? So you're able to understand everything, right? It's perfect. So they have a video here showing, this actress, which was recreated into an AI avatar, and then they showed an example of a video. They show that a lot of the companies are using it. They show exactly how this thing works. So you literally just choose a template for the slides and a template for the avatar. Then you just type in the text. They show this is exactly how you should do the product, right? You show how it works, not really tell stuff, right? So they made it insanely visual, crazy easy to understand. You notice that you're watching a video being created in like 30 seconds, right? So it's super clear, right? Then they show actual use cases with different examples. So this is what we really want. People might come here because they wanted to create a video, just a video in particular, maybe to train their employees or something like that, and they didn't feel like going on camera, or they want to test out a video ad real quick to see if they work, right? So they come in with a very small use case, and then as they go through the page, they see more and more ideas, right? Maybe I can train my entire team on with videos like these, right? Without me having to record anything, right? By just writing out the script and then turning it into a video like this. Maybe I can create video ads. Maybe I can train my customers on how to use my SaaS products with this. Maybe I can create it like a mini course if it's like how to use a tool, because there are a lot of courses on how to use spreadsheets and all that stuff. How-to videos like for software onboarding and all that stuff. They literally show tons of examples. They show exactly what the video looks like. They show you what's created by Synthesia, like super